And welcome back to Farmer's Dynasty. A land of growing crops and veggies, and still not sure when everything's going to be ready. Anyhow, how's your day been going? Oh, whoops, I think I might be wise in closing the door here. Good Lord, you guys ever gonna be ready? Yikes. Yeah, and those are peas. And I know I can't go up there to the windmill because I'll just be dumping them off and won't make anything like I did accidentally one time. I'd have to take them over here to the grain silos. Have the bees made anything? Apparently not. How about y'all over yonder here? You guys make anything? Even the new beehive? No? Nothing? Okay. And there's something I've been noticing for like 2 or 3 episodes now. I'm pretty sure I did not leave the header in this position. Well, state. But yeah, every time I cut through here, I always notice it, but just never say anything. But yeah, alright, you seem fine, but why are you half buried? I haven't used you in a while and the grass is growing around you, that's why. Anybody know where I can... Oh, never mind. Probably over here at the shed. The workshop. I was going to ask where can I get these things washed at, and I just kind of answered my own question. Anyway, I don't think that big ass honking thing's gonna fit in here. Yeah, I don't think so. Well, anyways, James don't want to fish right now, so we're still good on that one. Today, I guess, can be... Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what to do. Oh, and I did ask a question about if I can take and plant grass in any of these fields like I can in FS22, Farming Simulator 22. But, yeah, I haven't tried that out yet. I don't even know. I haven't not even checked to see if grass is even a seed in this game. So, I'm pretty sure that I have nothing in the silo. Is anything... Place trailer here to retrieve grains from your silo. Trailers contain only one sort of grains, so if you pour different grains than you already had, you will lose them. Oh, it's empty. Okay. Wow. Okay. I just kind of noticed something. Okay, y'all know how we have beehives over here, and beehives over there, and yes, you can get beehives over here by the chicken coop. There's a 4th apparent location. Because I know right here. You just throw beehives all over the place, can't you? Okay, well, I mean, kind of cool, you know. But anyways, I believe it was Trainmaster that early on in the series was helping me out, and he had only known of at least 3 locations. You know, here 1, chicken coop 2, and over near where the harvester is was 3. So hey, Nora, all right, how you doing? Campfire store, chicken coop right there, yay. Well, I ain't gonna bug Nora because oh, okay. There. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we have? Transport. Spicy pumpkin soup, 8. Plow the field. Ooh, wow. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This might take the entire episode, but let's do this. Set waypoint. And that's a plow job, so we just need to take the tractor. Take about a couple days to get there because the tractor being slow. And I hope my tractor's over here. There it is. Okay, really? Are you okay? Are you and the harvester on strike or something? Because you are just like. You're half buried too. Anyways, sorry to be you. Sucks to be you, whatever it is, but we got a job to do. Let's get over there and get this plow job done. Alright, who are we talking to? Not Henry. Not Samantha. Nathan. Let's see what Nathan's got to say. Nice field. What you growing? Come on.
Hello. Good morning. I am looking for work. Got anything for me?
There's a field nearby that needs plowing. Will you do it?
Of course.
Sounds good. I'll take care of this.
Yeah, 1,003 euros. Okay. How many euros did we get on the last job? Does anybody know? Oh, we could probably go the back way there. Alright, I think apparently this is the field. All the way down here. Oh, the way back around. Let's see. Let's start up here. Because, oh yeah, this is even. Drop anchor and Come on, little engine that could. Let's get this show on the road. Catch y'all in a minute.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
job done. Oh, Nathan's over here. Good. Let's bounce out this field and bounce out to the water here. Across this bridge. It's a good thing I didn't have to go 3/4 of a mile back to talk to him. Hey Nathan, it's good of you to come over here to the docks.
Thank you. Here's something for you.
1,003 euros and 2,006 social points. Anyways, thank you for coming out to the docks and saving me a half-mile trip. Alright, well. Okay, we got 77,130 social points. And we have 4,153 euros and 21 pence. If I even read that correctly, the dollars and cents there. If I did say that correctly, because it is in euros, please let me know. We need to find us a gas station real fast. And on a backcountry road, guess what we find? Let's see that. We're not going to worry about getting any gas for the home tank. Let's just worry about getting home. And these fields are still growing. I don't know when they're going to be ready. Pretty sure, yep. And it's a wonder, with all this water I've been giving them, the veggies haven't died out yet. And I only got 7 cans of pumpkin spice soup, or spicy pumpkin soup. And that mission needed 8. And I got 9 pumpkins left. But we'll eat one of those. Well, let me see. We can sell off 3 fishing rods. 2 rings, but I don't reckon that's going to bring in a lot. But hey James, are you ready for a fish yet? Let me see if I got any first. Yep, I got 5 of them. Feed the cat with fish. Yeah, you're licking your paws and you didn't even eat it. Yeah, you licked your paw first, then ate. There you go. Alright, anyways. Whoops. That. Oh, and I thought it would, I thought it would say something about how much food the cows have, but anyway. Oh, straw, cow food. 1,000 kilograms, which is 10%. Okay. Then probably it's 10,000 kilograms for 100%. But yeah, we ain't got no cows yet, but that's pretty decent. Oh, I'm thinking heavily on that one because we got a slurry tanker, but we don't have a milk tanker, because this is for the slurry, not unless the milk is automatically sold, or I collect. I don't know. Well, that'd be something to find out. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here and not stare at the sun first of all. So we're gonna go look at this way. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here. I would like to average two jobs per episode, but that was just a big field. I think it was 2.11, 2.11 acres, or however it was measured. But yeah, we now sit over 4,000 euros, which is good. 5,000 away from getting the field that's just back over that small hill over there, the other side of the track. That's going to take a minute, but because so far that was the cheapest field I found. But I'm going to call it here. You guys take care of yourselves. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.